must be Monday, what a dumb day. Hey. Itu mati aja tau.
Dolo mo na mo ni si daw bakain rin rito ng bula may palit ng bakain bikain de tilo may na mo ni mato.
Right.
Kakana na ngo na maraw na song ko rabi ko na la copa.
Kaya.
Na yan rasivia. Di kataliso.
Iyo.
May mga bulo to may baka may bibito ng tasui. Baka may daw tu na
Bibito ng tasui ni sabuda.
Iyo, wake tu na sui.
Wake jil sara.
Wake.
Iyo, so era lago tumango sa sini kila ni saudu may tu bonon tasui.
Iyo.
Iya na lebunin gaya.
Lebunin gay.
Makanta tabla ko mena korturang may mundo koro ha madi mo tabla ko isa do bula mena ka may mundo koro may viti ndo siamo chiku may to may bilisi go skeli.
Iyo.
O ko na lebunin na tumbale tipo no si tu na koro.
Iyo.
Tumbale ni kana mandanga sono ngone ngeli kade bawo china kana kakana na kakana china ngon sala mun koro.
Oi.
Durtalen na bale artu se basile butu salinda butu sarle na lebunin ke chiku ba. Pero ngone artu lisio.
Iyo.
Artu lisio tabla ngono kana na ya mana sababa kuna lebunin tumbal.
Iyo.
Gertu lisio ya.
Sini mama.
Oh sini mama.
Iyo.
Dongon artu lisio ya ni wanga ningoli o ka chugili ko me do no menor na kel.
Iyo.
Mendu abikelkele na zakambava ko na molto kama ndabto mo molto sa sinimera no mboso ko torngani bimu skali kelkele toso kono non durgo ko tumbalen delino no tumbalen ali sibino ko si tumbalen nanu mo chiko ko ndi tumbal chigen na kor
Ela lebuni modi.
Leba
Karena mata di sini modi di ko kiro bana simi kimi na lube viti.
Right.
Sema cuma biasa berburu bono tanya mata di kuah. Mata kiri kimi na nonton di tengah-tengah bulingan ada bi kor tengah kira nonton benua.
Don benaka.
Sema kiri kimi na lingin di kerapi ada bi hotel di bulan sar benua.
Right.
Sema cuma mata kiri pakat tambis di kuah.
Mambul tantungan bi kimi ni sabu tumana korro na nonda veia tigo to ko sara. Farmhouse beka no telefoni ngore sa sar tumikina. Sabangole na bakon ni benaka en mataka benaka ni ko dama ni benaka tale. Veia BSP unsecured personal loan. Bakatanga kina veia Punches. The proud sponsors of the Fijian and Rua. Ano bito ko dito era ouch palangi show.
Ongola VTFM Ouch Palangi, Vito Konikina of Punjas, proud sponsors of the Fijian Draw, KBSP, easy unsecured personal loan.
Simone yang ngomong ya, dulu si Rosi itu nggak ada VTFM na Yala High School. When you fire, mata di komela komela mermanait.
Iya. Marmanait sa marmanait nga. Tawayan rumang bulutol sa kanibik kimi kasarana siya mo tumayan Dios ng ulukar ro point di Rona FM and matake ni kuwa ngoy and sana lebu ko ba. To bulab na kamay nasito ni suga kami da may low Tokyo in Suba Naita City na Usuri Town Reo Lebuka kay na sana wa turang maduwata.
Era 92.2
FM. Right. 92 FM may mba town na kay na sana ko nanro nga kay na bosa siga to ka town sana ko ka ndro sa town kay Lau.
Alright.
92.6 sana ko tay lebu raki 92.4 may serwa and matakabi na kena.
Vila ko kibuli rongani maro tang siguro sere kibuli na ngono ko na kibuli sere kibuli kina na kor baga kina.
Right.
Ana bi kor di taka taka ko na buli lai ni rat ko tabuli.
Solomon. Right.
Mo tani sa may baga dor chwa na baga diri sulusan.
Right.
Bidi bidi sulusa ko te matana bataki na songo.
Dor binaka.
Magito na buka le na moni mata wa baga na da ko.
But ni binaka tero muni karabi tabi kemi na sobo tibelo bani lori taxi mini bus and then ngole may kivaka baka may singa da mambeka.
Singa mantende tu na singa moni.
Iyo.
Tende ka bito sa akin na yanra.
Right.
Di baka bimbi tu na yang we. And we singa may baka na singa ko.
Right.
O bibi na moni di ko.
Dor
Di
binaka.
mata chiko nan raki.
Iyo.
Oh, sa di kurengan nonta.
Tokilo lombu.
Ya lomba lam. Ha?
Tokilo lombu.
Tokilo lomba bikin na ka to ko ngo ni ba singa nan raki.
Iya.
Na itu tu bi roni roge bi tal tu na singa le tutu.
Iyo. Saya kapitali.
Ya kalau mata sa kana taka ko chidi abo na mata di ko.
Iya, kiba kawaray.
Kaya kawaray or matal ka basigil bi kita talabakan. Okay, because story this morning about Tangona.
Hey, Bula Binaka, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
All right,
big thank you to BSP, unsecured personal loan, and also Punjas, the proud sponsor
of the Fijian.
Okay, the story.
What's wrong with Tangona?
Man, Tangona, even me, last night drank too much, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock this morning. 2 o'clock. Then I went to bed.
Turun kuku.
No, kuku ko rodo dem. And all the gang at home, they wake me up. They blow the horn. That's the way. If not, I don't know. Kalas.
That's the story about the small boy who drank grog.
Right. You know, when you drink grog like this, you have to be careful. Because in what you call that, the mbita, the thing outside, it's very, very dangerous. When it touch your body, your feet, kalas, you're gonna like
you become shaky.
All right, you shaky, and you like tarlala.
Timboto maybe.
Timboto. This fella, the fella's house down below the village.
The fella was mother from one house.
Yes.
The fella was dope.
Was dope from the top house. They're building the house there.
Right.
And the fella mother from there. And around about 9 o'clock. The fella came down the slope, came down.
It was raining that night.
Raining.
Oh.
And the fella no flip-flop. When the fella came down like this. And the fella's uncle's house, Tatalim. Uncle, Right. And the fella's
big thing.
Look like this. And the fella saw, Tatalim when the game.
So one eye already broke.
One eye. And the fella, Tatalim drinking grog. Before the fella's house.
Right.
And the fella, I must go and a few balls and then I'll go. Hey fella, hey bongi, my fella came in. Fella sat around the door. And only 3 taki left. After that finish. After 1 taki. Hey, where were you? No, I was helping my sister on top. You know building. Thank you so much. You representing the family. Going and help the my sister. You okay? What? No, just few balls, and then go home and sleep. And then
wait, mother.
Drink mother. After 2 balls, another last taki left. And then Tatalia said, "You still want to drink grog, Lubengu?" And he said, "Okay." Tatalia, okay. I have the money, but we can go. Can you go? And he said, "Okay, I can go. This is my village. I know the road. Please take me." No, don't take me. I can go. Fella took the money, $120. Fella went 4 bags, $5. $5 bag.
So the house they're selling grog is what? Far away or just beside the house?
No, just beside the house, on the other side. But it's raining, so no one can go. No umbrella. Fella said, myself the rain. I'm the rain.
I'm going.
The fella went outside and the rain pouring on the fella's head, and the fella goes sideways.
Right.
And
beside the wall.
Right, and touching the house. On the same house, Tatalim's house. The fella thought that's their house. The gang selling the grog. The fella touch the house like this, go side. Like his third leg. Right. Go on the other side until he came on the other door. The other door.
Same house.
And then the guy is was sitting there. The fella knocked. Hey, bongi, And night, who's this? What you want? And and the Tatali opened the door like this. And then Tatali was saying, I want to buy grog. Hey, this is Tatali's house. What you made? On the same house. Sabango mabanga ibale kotal nangai. Bongi. Bale. Come. No, I was building the house up there at Tatalim's house. Okay, you can go and buy the grog. I can go. Only the next door. The next door, the fella just round like 180 degrees. Don't near the big door. Come. Hey, Tatalim. No, how are we not selling grog?
It's the same house.
I haven't given you the money to go and buy grog. Teman lasa.
So we can santo nguneng kono
serangan serangain roatu. Na lebu nguneng kono men tanah lises tal tu. Right.
Seperti kan ngono santa kana kina. Dali bangko.
Ko andana kasih mina Korea ni satu bangun kena kakak na mekini. Ngo kena tal kono sui ko bilu batu nombunut. Ko kana?
Sadin de saranga.
Ko andu lagi tak sar chicken male. To kilo lobu. Ko andu nguneng kono bangun andu rarbaki. Ko andu bulsar ko andu kan walile. bwana ni mnaka tani na bataka bwana ni kwa kuna kama ni sababu tumikina na ouch pala ni show mtaka ndai tapaka bwana mnaka tali kwa dua
besu na lingana
kwa kama shimo tanga lingana kwa baka tanga udhuru
rede bagina
Pambul dan wiki ni mabunda ka BSP unsecured personal loan patala kina Punjes, the proud sponsors of the
Fijian Drua
umi ka galumbola
kurumunto ko
di kalongata
imode isa